Welcome back, listeners. This is part 2 of our series, Learn English While Shopping, Save Money, and Speak Confidently. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Jake. In part 1, we talked about needs and wants. We opened our notebook for money in and money out. We made smart swaps, and we even set goals with automatic saving. That was a big journey.
Yes, and now we're ready to take those lessons into the real world. Where do most people spend money every week?
The supermarket.
Exactly. Shopping is part of daily life, and it's also a perfect place to practice English.
So today we'll learn useful English phrases for shopping, and at the same time, we'll discover how to save money when we shop.
Let's start with the most powerful tool in shopping, the list.
The shopping list.
Yes, a shopping list is like a map. It tells you where to go and what to buy. Without a list, you walk around the store and pick up many wants.
Like cookies, chips, and ice cream.
Exactly. But with a list, you focus on needs. Milk, bread, eggs.
Let's do a role play. I'll be the shopper, and you be the supermarket cashier.
Okay, let's go.
Excuse me, how much is this bread?
It's $2.
And how much are these eggs?
$3 for 12 eggs.
Thank you. I'll take them.
Perfect. See, listeners, simple English phrases. How much is this? I'll take it. Very useful in daily life.
And when you ask prices, you also compare. Maybe one brand of bread is $2, but another brand is $1.50.
Yes, that's another smart shopping habit. Compare before you buy.
So listeners, your homework is to make a shopping list in English. Write 5 things you need this week.
And when you go shopping, practice asking, how much is this? Is there a cheaper one? I'll take it.
Because shopping is not just about spending money. It's about speaking English with confidence.
And saving money at the same time.
Coming up next, we'll plan a whole week of meals and money. That way, you spend less, waste less, and speak more English.
Yes, get ready for Chunk 2, Weekly Planner, Meals, Money, and Less Waste.
Last time, we made a shopping list and practiced asking prices in English. That was a big step. But now, let's go deeper. It's not just about what you buy, it's about how you plan your week.
Right, because if you don't plan, you spend more. And sometimes you even waste food.
Exactly. So today, we'll learn how to make a weekly planner. This planner will save you money, reduce waste, and give you more chances to practice English.
Okay, let's imagine it's Sunday evening. You sit down with your notebook. On one page, you write the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on.
Then, under each day, you write your meals: breakfast, lunch, dinner.
For example, Monday, breakfast, eggs and toast. Tuesday dinner, chicken with rice. Wednesday lunch, rice with vegetables.
Perfect. And here's the trick. Use the same ingredients in different meals. If you buy rice, you can eat it on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
That way, you don't waste food. And you don't need to buy too many different things.
Exactly. And when you plan, you also plan your money. You can write the cost next to each meal.
Like pasta, $3. Rice and vegetables, $4.
Yes, and at the end of the week, you add it up. That's your weekly food budget.
Let's practice with our listeners. Jessica, give me 3 meals and I'll try to plan them for the week.
Okay, eggs, chicken, and rice.
Monday, breakfast, eggs. Tuesday dinner, chicken with rice. Wednesday lunch, rice with vegetables.
Perfect. 3 ingredients, 3 different meals. That's smart planning.
And cheaper than buying something new every day.
Yes, and here's another tip. Plan for leftovers. If you cook extra dinner, you can eat it for lunch the next day.
That's like cooking once, eating twice.
Exactly, and it saves both time and money.
So, listeners, your homework is to make a weekly planner in English. Write your meals for 7 days. Use the same ingredients in different ways.
And write the cost next to each meal. At the end of the week, add it up. See how much you spend.
This is not just English practice, it's life practice.
Yes, And when you plan, you feel more in control.
But Jessica, what about surprises? Sometimes I see something I want and I buy it without thinking.
That's our next lesson. We'll learn a simple rule to stop impulse buying.
A rule?
Yes, it's called the 24-hour rule.
That sounds interesting.
It is, and it will save you from many regrets.
So let's keep going.
Coming up next, the 24-hour rule. Pause before you pay. Last time, we learned how to plan our week with meals and money. That gave us control and helped us waste less. But sometimes, even with a plan, we see something shiny in the store and think, I want it now.
Oh yes, that happens to me all the time. I see a new gadget or a cool shirt and suddenly my plan disappears.
That's called impulse buying. You buy it quickly without thinking. And later, you often regret it.
So how do we stop impulse buying?
With a simple rule, the 24-hour rule.
The 24-hour rule? Tell me more.
It's easy. If you see something you want, but it's not a need, don't buy it immediately. Wait 24 hours.
Just wait one day?
Yes. After 24 hours, ask yourself, do I still want it? Do I still need it?
And many times the answer is no.
Exactly. The excitement goes away and you save your money.
Let's do a role play. I'm walking in the mall. I see a new pair of headphones for $50.
Okay, what do you do?
I want them, but I remember the 24-hour rule, so I don't buy them. I wait.
The next day, how do you feel?
Honestly, I don't care about the headphones anymore. I'm happy I saved $50.
Perfect! That's the power of the 24-hour rule.
Let's practice with our listeners. Imagine you see something you want, a new bag, a new game, or a new phone case. Stop, wait 24 hours, then decide.
And here's a tip. Write it in your notebook. Write the item, the price, and the date. After 24 hours, check again.
If you still want it and it fits your budget, maybe you can buy it. But if you don't, you just saved money.
Yes, and you also practice patience, which is a powerful skill.
So, listeners, your homework is this. The next time you want to buy something that is not a need, wait 24 hours. See how you feel the next day.
And remember, every time you wait, you give yourself power. You are in control, not the shop.
I like that. The shop doesn't control me. I control my money.
Exactly. And in the next chunk, we'll learn how to talk about money politely in English, asking for discounts, checking deals, and saving even more.
That's going to be useful because sometimes just asking the right question can save you money.
Yeah, so let's keep going.
Coming up next, polite money talk, discounts, deals, and everyday phrases.
Last time, we learned the 24-hour rule to stop impulse buying. That gave us power over our choices. Now, let's take another step. How to talk about money politely in English.
Oh, I like this one because sometimes just asking the right way can save you money.
Exactly. Many people feel shy about asking for discounts or checking deals. But with the right words, you can be polite, confident, and smart.
Let's start with a simple phrase. Is there a discount?
Yes, or do you have any special offers? That's another polite way.
And if you're buying more than one item, you can say, can I get a better price if I buy two?
Perfect. Let's do a role play. I'll be the shopkeeper, you be the customer.
Okay. Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $20.
Do you have any discount today?
Yes, 10% off, so it's $18.
Great! I'll take it.
See, listeners? Just one polite question saved $2.
And here's another phrase. Is this the best price?
Yes, that's polite but clear. It shows you are interested but careful.
And sometimes the shopkeeper will say, okay, I'll give you a small discount.
Exactly. And even if they say no, you lose nothing. You only asked.
Let's give our listeners a few more useful phrases.
Sure. Do you have a student discount? Is there a sale coming soon? Can I pay less if I pay cash?
All polite, all useful.
And here's a cultural tip. Always smile when you ask. A smile makes your words softer.
Yes, because money talk can feel heavy, but a smile makes it friendly.
So, listeners, your homework is to practice these phrases. Stand in front of a mirror and say, "Is there a discount? Do you have any special offers? Is this the best price?"
Practice until it feels natural. Then, next time you shop, try one.
And remember, every dollar you save brings you closer to your goal.
That's right. And in the next chunk, we'll take all these lessons, needs, wants, notebooks, swaps, goals, saving, and polite money talk, and put them into a real-life shopping adventure.
Yes, a full role play at the supermarket from start to finish.
That's going to be fun.
Coming up next, the supermarket adventure. Practice English, save money, live smart.
Last time, we learned how to ask politely about discounts and deals. That gave us confidence with money talk. Now, let's put everything together in a real-life scene, a full supermarket adventure.
Oh, this is going to be fun. We'll practice English phrases, make smart choices, and see how all the lessons connect.
Exactly. Imagine this. It's Saturday morning. You walk into the supermarket with your shopping list in hand.
First stop, the fruit section. Excuse me, how much are these apples?
They're $2 a kilo.
Do you have any discount if I buy 2 kilos?
Yes, if you buy 2, it's $3.50.
Great, I'll take them. See, listeners, one polite question and I saved 50 cents.
Next, the bread aisle. You see 2 brands. One is $2, the other is $1.50. Both are good. Which one do you choose?
I'll take the $1.50 bread. That's a smart swap.
Perfect. Now, the snack section. You see cookies for $3. Do you need them?
I want them, but I remember my goal, my bicycle. So I use the 24-hour rule. I write cookies, $3 in my notebook, but I don't buy them today.
Excellent. That's control. Now at the cashier.
Excuse me, is this the best price for the rice?
Actually, yes. But tomorrow we have a sale, 20% off.
Thank you. Then I'll wait till tomorrow.
Perfect. You just saved money by asking politely.
And look at the notebook. Money in, 1,000. Money out today, apples, bread, vegetables. Total, $10.
And no waste because you planned meals for the week.
This is the supermarket adventure. Real English, real savings, real control.
So, listeners, your homework is to start your notebook. Write money in on one side, money out on the other.
And for 1 week, write down everything. Salary, rent, food, coffee, snacks, tickets, everything.
At the end of the week, look at your notebook. What do you see?
Maybe you'll notice something surprising. For example, you thought you only spend a little on snacks, but when you add it up, it's $20 in 1 week.
And that's when the real question comes. How can I reduce this without feeling sad?
Exactly. That's where smart swaps come in. Instead of buying snacks every day, maybe you cook once and eat twice.
Let's explore that together.